When the 2024 Mazda 3 finally arrives at US dealerships, it is expected to come with a larger infotainment screen. Mazda recently announced an update for the 2024 model in the Japanese market, raising our hopes for the US version. At present, both the Mazda 3 hatchback and sedan include an 8.8-inch display integrated into the top of their dashboards. However, this screen size will increase to 10.3 inches. It remains unclear whether the smaller screen option will still be available or completely replaced, similar to the options offered by the Mazda CX-50. According to Mazda's Japanese press release, the 2024 Mazda 3 will also feature an enhanced USB-C port and a wireless charging pad. It is highly likely that these additions will also be included in the US lineup. Additionally, extended driver assistance, which now includes driver attention monitors and front and rear pedestrian detection in Japan, is expected to make its way to the US version. Other potential new features may include a ceramic-colored paint option. Moreover, the MyMazda smartphone app will enable users to remotely start the car, and it may also provide a functionality specifically designed for parents. This function will send alerts about the vehicle's speed, driving time, and the location of the vehicle,